Okay, hi, this video is a video of before and after on a patient who have had a hair transplant done by me, Dr. John Deep. So what we did for him was we just fill in both corner and then reinforce whatever we have. And this is him before, and this is him afterward. Excellent result. And this is him right now. Excellent. Now before we go further, I'd like you to go on my website at mhtaclinic.com, 866-999-6482. Okay. Go back down again. This is him before, and this is him afterward. And this is him right now. Excellent result. And I just want to show the audience about all his photo right here. And this is him right there. As you can see, all the photo before. Okay, Chris, so can you explain your experience to the audience for me?
Yeah, well, I initially started to notice that I was having a receding hairline and was looking around on the internet basically trying to see if anything could be done on it, and I saw that there was medications you can take and all that, but those were more as temporary solutions or solutions that you would have to basically continually take for the rest of your life, and I wanted something on a more permanent basis. So I started to look into hair transplant procedures, and after I found that that's something I was interested in, I decided to go ahead and research the doctors around this area that could perform it, and I checked various forums and got different testimonials, read different testimonials from people, and finally I stumbled upon Dr. Deep and got rave reviews from him on the forums and all that, so, and saw some nice results online as well, so I decided to go ahead and contact him and set up an appointment to see what can be done. After meeting with him, he was very honest and very very kind, and basically he made me feel very welcomed and comfortable with the procedure. And so shortly after we set up the surgery, the appointment, and going through the process was very professional. I didn't have any worries at all. I can tell that they his whole staff knew what they were doing, and as well as he did. And the surgery, before I knew it, was done with, and I was out the door. And there is some initial like pain that's to be expected. It is surgery, but after that day I was pretty much fine, walking around like no problem. About a month later, I would say that the hairs, and this is something that you'll hear everyone talking about, and even he mentions, where like anywhere from like a month to 2 months in, you'll start to see the hairs that were implanted basically start to fall out. And so initially I was I had a little worry, but he already had told me about that. He warned me about that, and he also reassured me that it'll grow back and be better than ever. So I kind of was initially worried, but kind of let it go, knowing that he already reassured me about that. So, and sure enough, a little bit after that, those hairs started to grow back, and things were normal again. And I would say that probably within 4 to 5 months, I really started to see it fill up, where you couldn't even notice that I was having receding hairline anymore. And so I was pretty happy with it already at that point. And here we are a year later, and I'm completely satisfied. I have no regrets doing the surgery, and I could recommend him any day, anytime for for anyone else to use his services.
Thank you.